Hi, I'm here to help you get the Learning Ally audiobook reader installed on your computer. First, open your browser and visit learningally.org/app. When your screen comes open, scroll down to about the middle of the page, and you'll see where it says that Learning Ally's audiobook app, and you'll see that there's a variety of options for how to install it, including on your phone or tablet through the App Store or Google Play, as well as on iMacs through the Mac App Store. The Chrome Web Store is no longer supported, but it is also available for download for your Windows PC. If you have a Windows PC, you're going to go ahead and click here. The download will begin. You'll see that it's happening in the lower left corner of the screen. When the download is complete, you'll notice that it will say Learning Ally Audiobook.msi in the lower left corner. This is your installer. Go ahead and click on it. You'll notice that the wizard will come up on your screen. This will guide us through the installation. Click Next. Next is our software end user license agreement. As you read through that, you'll find the terms of service and the licensing. We'll scroll to the bottom and we'll click to accept the terms. I click the Next button. It shows me that it's going to be installed in my program files. I click Next again, and now it's ready to install. I click the Install button. It's asking me if it's allowed to install, and I'll confirm it by clicking Yes. The installation is quickly completed, and I'll notice that when I click Finish, it's already going to launch it for me. My audiobook reader has come up on my screen, and I am ready to log in with my username and password. For further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out.